you are able to achieve with the concept. That is the first thing. So this concept is clear, right?
Yeah,
That the
yeah,
sorting happens
I
at
understood.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that
Only
is so,
that in my version, it is in drop down kind of Sunil. It's not like a complete dialogue box.
okay.
So
But still you are able
that's the
to
only
get
difference
to
I
the
found.
result is
Yeah, I
fine, right?
understood.
The result also you are able to
Yeah, I
achieve on
got
that.
the result, Sunil.
Okay. So
Yes,
till
yes,
this
I got
point is
that.
the
Yeah.
option like how it is giving to you for sorting is different. The rest of the thing is same. Like
Yeah,
if,
only the
if
view,
you
I
have
mean, the interface is
so the
different, that's
interface
it.
is different. So still you have to
Yeah,
create your
yes.
combined field.
Yeah,
Only then it is working with the
yes.
regional, right? So yeah, maybe you have to
Yes,
adjust
yes.
it that
The
if you're
same
using the
thing.
latest version, maybe some things might fall in like that here and there. So before
Okay.
this, everything was same,
Yeah,
right? Your interface
sure.
before the sorting, whatever concepts I have told,
Yeah,
you had no
everything
issues.
was same, Sunil. I mean, the grouping, ungrouping, yeah,
Everything
everything
was
was
same.
same. Only this thing I found little different. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, maybe because each time they're releasing a version, right? So sometimes they might be, with the user interface, maybe they are trying to change it based on some feedback.
Yeah.
So it could happen, but since this is the stable one, I'm using it. That's the because it is when you go into your real environment, suddenly you will face the same version, and that would be ease of using will be easy for you. So that's the reason why I'm using this
Yes,
version.
yes. Yeah, okay.
So for the purpose of following, maybe you also use 10.5. You can use public also because you're not publishing it anywhere, right? So you can use public also and connect to this Excel, same 10.5. But as of now, to just follow these simple things, what are on the visual level which I'm saying. If it's an extract or something, then you install a licensed version, like using your student license, and check the 10.5 interface.
Okay.
So, Pranisha, you were able to get the student license.
No, I haven't found anyone. I'm still
Uh,
searching.
you don't have your own ID.
No, I have, but I have already graduated, so
It is just a scanning of it, so you can change it to some date. So use it some
okay.
other. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
let me
use some other
try.
college. Yeah, you can use some other college name and just try it out.
Let me
That's
try.
yeah, that would be easy for you to practice. That's all. So just for the
Yeah.
sake of practice.
So this for students, which version is it?
You can use any version. Any version. It is for your machine and your ID. So that would be there for 1 year. You can install any version and you can activate any version with that license. It will be for
Oh,
1 year. Yeah, you can
okay.
use 10.5 or later also. And even if it
Okay.
is a new version, you can again update it within that 1 year. Instead,
Okay.
you're working. So you can try that. Just by
Yeah,
altering the date.
you told me that. Yeah,
Yeah.
you told me that I
In case for
graduated
like
this
you
year.
want it for a longer time now, because you wanted to do for a longer time of practice. Uh,
Yeah.
so that's the one that is useful. So okay, so then we have seen grouping. So we have seen what is the concept of grouping and how do you create groups. So either from the view or from the data pane we can create the groups, and we seen this other option also. So how it is useful, and we have seen editing, and we have seen the concept of drill down. So either you can go to the underlying data from the pane or from the hierarchy from higher to a lower level. So then we have seen what these hierarchies are, how do you build them, basically for organizing the data. And next we'll see about date hierarchies. So when you come to this date hierarchies, so date fields will be automatically brought into the view as hierarchies. So if it is in a
Um,
proper form, yeah,
yeah, sorry. Um, Yeah, I think it went through, and I think I got the product key.
Okay.
So
Yeah, you can activate with it. So if you have installed
is it like download Tableau desktop or Tableau prep?
desktop,
Desktop, okay.
it works for both desktop and prep.
Mhm.
The one which you are using is Tableau desktop. Prep is for ETL part.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So whenever there are date fields in your data source, they will be brought into the view as hierarchies. So for example, we have order date, okay, and we are bringing this into our view.
Uh-huh.
So automatically here we have the hierarchy built.
Mm-hmm.
So first it is with this plus sign, you know that the hierarchy is built automatically. And if you press on this plus sign, it is going to a quarter level, and then again you press, it is going at month level, and then at day level. So I have not created this hierarchy. This hierarchy has been created by Tableau itself. So
Oh, okay.
when the data that we are seeing in our source, if
Mm-hmm.
it is in a proper format, in a date format, like month, day, year, or day, month, year format, if it is in a proper date format, data source, then this hierarchy will get built automatically by Tableau. The Tableau recognizes that it's a date, and it automatically removes the year, month, and quarters, and builds the hierarchy. So let us add some sales over here to rows just for understanding how it looks.
Sales, okay.
So if I hit a plus sign here, it goes at the quarter level. And if I feel that I want this visualization only at this quarter level, I can just remove this year also. And I
Mm-hmm.
can just give the quarter for the all years.
Oh.
So then you can hit a plus. It can go at month
So
level.
your voice was breaking.
Uh, Divya, is it breaking?
I mean, before it was when you started about the graph, like saying.
Okay, wait 1 second. I'll go back. So what I
Yeah.
did
This
was,
I understood, Sunil. Yeah, by
yeah,
default, it will have this
yeah,
hierarchy.
this hierarchy is built, and any of this
Yeah,
level, like quarter or month,
yeah, yeah.
we can choose. Like if I want only at year and month, I can remove the quarter, and the
Yes.
view keep showing at year and quarter month level.
Okay.
And if I
Okay.
want only at the month level, I can remove the year. So any of these fields can be removed,
Okay.
and you can see the level at the point where you want to see. So after building, the hierarchy is built automatically, and clicking on the plus sign, it will go to the level of detail, the next level. And if you want it at a particular level and remove the other one, you can do so by removing the field.
Okay. Okay.
So by default, this date is a discrete field. Tableau by default
Uh,
it is taking as a discrete field. How you are knowing it is a discrete? Can you tell me?
Blue color background.
Yeah, it is a blue background, and if you see here, there will be headers. It's
Yeah.
not an axis. So you can also
Okay.
take continuous dates from this field of date. For that, you have to either click on the drop down or right click on that, and the ones below over here, these are continuous dates. So if I select month over here, now this is a continuous field of date. So you can see it is with a green background, and there is an axis over here. So there is one more method. Yeah.
Okay. Why like that, Sunil? I mean, why they have mentioned those two options, like discrete and
Uh,
continuous
yeah,
both?
there are two ways of seeing the date, right? So either you can see it as a discrete method, discrete way of seeing the date. So discrete means it ends at that quarter four, like a strict boundary.
Okay.
So 2012, and it has ended this block. So each one is a
Yeah.
header, Q1, Q2, Q3. So
Okay.
the thing is, it can be discrete or it can be continuous. The date has that quality. So some dates could be missing in between, right? Sometimes, and you could be having
Okay.
a continuation from other set of dates. So we can't say. So
Yeah.
if you have entire date for every day,